Hey there, my friends! Today we are going to talk about how to take your Microsoft Teams meetings and turn them into a global celebration. Whether you're leading an international team or need to share an important presentation with clients around the world, we've got the secret sauce to make it happen. Let's dive in and get started, shall we? Part 1, how to transcribe Microsoft Teams recordings. Alright, first things first, let's tackle the transcription business. Once your Microsoft Teams meeting is in the books, you can find the recording tucked away in your Microsoft Stream. Go ahead and download that bad boy. Then head over to a handy-dandy transcription service like Otter AI or Descript. Just upload the file and presto, you'll have a nice neat text transcript ready to go. Easy as pie, right? How to translate the transcription. Now let's talk about turning that transcript into a true global sensation. Grab your trusty translation tool like Google Translate and let's get to work. Just copy and paste that transcript. Select the languages you need and hit translate. Boom, instant multilingual masterpiece. Your audience around the world will give you a high five. Well, there you have it, folks. Now you know how to turn your Microsoft Teams meetings into global celebrations. Just transcribe, translate, and share the love. If this video was helpful, be sure to give it a good old thumbs up, then subscribe to our channel. Until next time, happy recording and translating.